Hello guys, it's Neita. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna make some supplements about my previous video, how I draw eyes. Some of you guys commented about it's very important to distinguish the left eye and the right eye, and how can we tell the differences between them. So this video is all about that. So without further ado, let's go. So when you draw a face from the front angle, it's a great way to use the bridge of the nose as a datum point of the two eyes. Just let me show you how to do it. And first I'm gonna draw a face, a front angle face real quick. Okay, so like this, and I'm drawing some guidelines. So this line is for the eyes, and this is for the bridge of the nose. You can separate this into two parts, like left part and the right part. So where to put the eyes, you can just draw two guidelines, no, not two, one guideline in each part. In the middle, this, and these 2 points are the places you put those eyes. And remember to, oh, this is very scary though. And I think it's important to make sure the distance from inner corner to the bridge, and both are the same, inner corner to the bridge. These two distance should be the same. So this is how you locate two eyes on the face. Okay, so let me show you how to distinguish a left eye and the right eye, and how can we tell the differences between them. So you just draw some guidelines like this, and eyes. So to make sure these two distance are even. I think the way to distinguish these eyes, how to say this? So as the previous video, I said the upper part, the lashes, so this part. Is thicker on the outside, outer corner, and thinner in the inner corner, and this just the mirrored version of this eye. So you have to draw this side thicker and this side thinner, and the inner corner draw something like this, a small like a triangle thing, because our eyeballs are like this, and this is the inner part of the eye. So mirrored version, draw a little triangle here, and I prefer to draw some double eyelids. So I will add this line, sometimes like this, and the mirrored version of this. I will draw this shape because I want more like a folding kind of feeling. And eyelashes are like this. Sometimes I will draw the bags. I think eyebrows are a great way to define two eyes. So when you draw eyebrow, remember to draw thicker in the inside and thinner outside, like this. So it's totally different from the eyelashes part. It's different. It's thicker here and thinner here. At the end, thicker at the beginning and thinner at the end. So these two sides are the same. Thicker in the inside and thinner on the outside. Okay guys, that's it for today's video, and hope this would be helpful for you guys. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.